As I told you earlier, for the first stanza, the rhyme scheme of this stanza is also A, B, B, A, C, D, D, C, and E, E, E. Okay? Look at the sounds. Magnificence, intense, AA. Soul, roll, BB. Dear, here, CC. Arise, eyes, DD. Beach, speech, reach, EE. So, the rhyme scheme of this stanza, not only this stanza, rhyme scheme of every stanza in this poem is A, B, B, A, C, D, D, C, E, E, E. You don't be afraid, they will give you either any 4 lines or the last 3 lines. So you can write as A, B, B, A for the 4 lines and E, E, E for the last 3 lines. Now we shall see the figure of speech for this line. What is that dirge-like murmur that I hear? We have the word like here. So, what is the figure of speech? Simile. Now we shall see the figure of speech for this line. Like the sea breaking on a shingle beach. What figure of speech is employed here? Since we have the word like, here is simile. Okay? Now look at this line. It is the tree's lament, an eerie speech. You know what is lament? Cry of pain. அழுது புலம்புறது, ஒப்பாரி வைக்கிறது. Only the human being can cry. But here the author says that the tree is crying. So, the figure of speech employed in this line is personification. Okay? Personification is employed here. Now, listen to this line. Unknown, yet well known to the eye of faith. Can you tell me what figure of speech is employed on this line? We have eye of faith. It means faithful eyes. Who can be faithful? Human beings can be faithful. But here the author says that the eyes are faithful. So, the figure of speech employed in this line is personification. Okay? What figure of speech is employed here? Personification. Now, look at this line. And the waves gently kissed the classic shore. What figure of speech is employed on this line? Kissed like human. The waves kissed the shore like a human. So, the figure of speech employed on this line is personification. Okay? Now, look at this line. When earth lay tranced in a dreamless swoon. What figure of speech is employed here? Dream like men. Although only men can dream. But here the author says that the earth is dreaming. So, the figure of speech employed on this line is personification. Okay? Now, look at this line. Dearer than life to me, alas, were they. The figure of speech employed on this line is simile. We know that if only we have the words as or like, we can say the figure of speech employed on that line is simile. But here we have the word than. Even if we have this word than, we can say the figure of speech as simile. Okay? Now look at this line. With deathless trees like those in Borrowdale. We can easily say the figure of speech employed on this line because we have the word like. What is the figure of speech? Simile. Okay.